Aww. These two have been playing all morning. If you're just watching our videos, this is our new puppy, Nora, and that's Hila. Aww. You don't need to. What you doing, Hila? Hey, Hila, what you doing? That's a good girl. Nora. Get her. Get her. Get her, Nora. You love her, don't you? You love her, don't you? You love her. That's a good girl. Nora's tired. Nora's tired. You're a good girl. You know Nora. You know Nora. So her color is purple. And Hila's is pink. She doesn't have her collar on. I'll let her sleep. She's tired. Trying to get her to play. She's trying to wear her out. Whoop! You gonna have a fit now? Hila, you gonna have a fit? Woo woos? You gonna go woo woo? Nope, nope. Let's go look at you. Hey, oh. Aren't you the cutest little baby ever? She's so tired. She's so tired. Yep. Hila, come on, stop that. Stop that. Arr, arr. Arr, arr, arr. Arr, arr, arr. Arr, arr, arr. Arr, arr, arr. You're mad she's not wanting to play anymore? She's going to sleep? Arr, arr. Arr, arr, arr. Arr, arr, arr. Oh, arr, arr, arr. I think she's done, honey. I think she's done. Oop. Alright, guys. So if you like the video, hit like, subscribe, bell for notifications. Lots more to come now. Going to the park later today with the puppy. You gonna go to the park with me today? With the puppy? Gonna play? Puppy Nora? Huh, Hila? I think we're done here. Alright, I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to hit up the Instagram. It's Hila and Nora the Huskies. And Hila also has a page on Facebook, Hila the Husky. There we go. You can go back to sleep. Yep, you're going to go to sleep. Alright, good night, guys. Or good day.